Very good. Back on the paddle tail, guys. There we go. Nice one on the paddle tail. Let's get a release on him.